Welcome back to my page. It's Magic, and I'm here with
Rissy.
Woo! And today we are back with another mukbang. Our favorite. I know you're probably wondering what the heck is on this plate right now, but don't worry, it's safe and it's edible and it's black mashed potatoes, bro. I bet y'all never seen nothing like this.
Yes.
It's like Play-Doh.
Actually, it looks like Play-Doh.
So pretty much, oh yeah, Lila. Ooh, she's making hers into a design, but there, it's like a sandcastle. We're gonna have a mashed potato eating contest. Whoever could finish the most on this plate within 3 minutes is gonna win. 3 minutes? Yeah. 3 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up 3 minutes, not 3 hours. 3 minutes on the clock. And we're gonna see who could eat the most black mashed potatoes. In the meantime, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we do what? Post a video.
And you know we had to bring some soda. Today we got our Dr. Pepper, you know. So, yeah, something different. Yeah. And we're dressed in black for the occasion?
Yes.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna put my soda right now too. Hold on. Ooh. Alright, y'all ready?
Yes.
Y'all ready? You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Are you marked? Get set. Go.
Series.
Mm-hmm. Slow down.
This is a lot harder than it looks, y'all. This is really thick.
Got 2 minutes. You ain't even halfway done. Can it stop me? You will not stop me! Oh my god, I haven't gotten anywhere! Come on! There's only 1 minute left. Delicious. Oh my god. Alright, we got 1 minute. We gotta really make a dent here. 45 seconds. Hey, you got two. You got two. Hey. That didn't work. Come on, 20 seconds. We can do it.
This is mine.
I don't know who really won because I gotta. Here, let me pat mine back down.
I feel sick as fuck.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go! I'm ready. No, was it? Okay. Well, y'all.
That shit tastes nice.
Go.
I gotta take a fat dookie. It's gonna come out like mashed potatoes.
Yes. 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 Yes.
If you enjoyed the content that you've seen today, make sure to share it with your friends. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time that we go ahead and we post a video.
Subscribe!